This is Larry Bodine, Editor-in-Chief of Lawyers.com, and we're at the American Association for Justice meeting in Chicago. And today we caught up with the new president, Mary Alice McLarty. One of the questions I had for you is about the so-called litigation explosion. Is it true that lawsuits are just out of control in this country?
Well, actually, lawsuits are not out of control. In fact, they're declining all across the United States. We've seen survey after survey that show that not nearly as many lawsuits are being filed. There has been a lot of tort reform legislation across the country, and it does affect people's right to bring lawsuits. Keeps narrowing it more and more until some of the rights are actually being taken away.
What does tort reform exactly accomplish?
Well, tort reform is a strange name. A lot of people don't even know what tort means. But it basically is taking away people's right to have redress or hold somebody accountable for wrongs that they've done to them. For instance, if somebody is negligent and they've hurt somebody, they should have to pay for it instead of your insurance and your health insurance paying for it. The wrongdoer should pay for that. We have empirical data now in Texas. The tort reform was in 2003, and the citizens were promised that the insurance premiums would go down and that doctors' premiums would go down. But that has not happened, and medical costs have not gone down.
Shortly after the September 11 attacks on the World Trade Center in New York, the American Association for Justice started the Trial Lawyers Care program. What does this mean for consumers?
Trial Lawyers Care is a nonprofit organization that AAJ established after the 9/11, in fact, almost immediately after 9/11. We wanted to make sure the victims were compensated, so we went to the Hill and helped Congress pass this federal fund, the one that was administered by Ken Feinberg. And in order for this to happen, we volunteered to pro bono, that means without any payment, represent the victims, and we had over 1,100 lawyers involved in the program. One thing we're looking at right now are veterans issues, and veterans a variety of different types of claim, and providing legal help for them for free.
Thank you. In Chicago, this is Larry Bodine, Editor-in-Chief, reporting for the Lawyers.com channel.